Nothing I can help you guys with though? No?
Not unless, what do y'all do in this facility here? No? Nothing? Then go to back to work then. If you're not going to answer no question, why did you ask me if you can help me if you're not going to help me? Alright guys, we at Smithfield Visitors Entrance in Kinston, North Carolina. I'm going to see if they respect their right to record. This is NC TYRANT. I'm going to see if they respect their rights to record in public. See what happens.
How you guys doing today?
Enjoying this beautiful day.
Can I help you?
No, we didn't ask for no help.
Are you the plant manager?
Yeah. You guys with a certain film company or?
Oh yeah, we independent.
Independent?
Yeah. Why? Problem?
Nope. Nothing I can help you guys with though? No?
Not unless, what do y'all do in this facility here? No? Nothing? Then go to back to work then. If you're not going to answer no question, why did you ask me if you can help me if you're not going to help me? That was kind of stupid, don't you think? Ask, can I help you? Yeah, you can tell me what y'all do. But no, you're walking off like a Now he's on the phone with the police. I have all IDs. Don't you just love it when they come out here and ask if they can help you? But yet, when you say, what do y'all do here? They don't want to answer. That's usually what happens. Now he's got his phone in his hand. He's going to call people with guns. He's going to call people with guns to come out here. And they're not going to do nothing either. He might not even get out. These guys called the police on us. Because here he is. No. What's up, man? Can't hardly hear you.
Yeah, so I know y'all are up there at Smithfield. Y'all are good. Somebody
Yeah. How you pronounce that name?
Hathaway.
Hathaway. You got a number?
I do, K64.
K64. Oh, you a K9 too?
No, I'm not a K9.
Oh, okay.
Nope. No, but like the other officer told you out there at Smithfield, y'all well within your rights.
Right on, baby.
And,
I appreciate that.
I'm good with it.
Yep.
But somebody called, so that's why I'm here.
Right. Yeah, he come out here. See, that's the thing. He come out here and asked if we need help, and I asked him what they did in his company, right? Mm-hmm. And he turned around and walks off. So why even ask if he's, if I need help when I say yes, he don't help me. So anyway, we didn't say much to him other than that, and then he walked away.
All right. Well, y'all have a good one, Cody.
All right, man.
Do you know what time their shift change is?
I have no idea.
Right on.
Really
all right, man. Be safe out there.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Right on. Yep. That's a different guy, yeah. Is that that Kinston PD too? Yeah, okay. Yes. Another company educated, guys. Let's see if he goes in and talks to them. Or he's already talked to them. Yeah, he's going in to talk to them. So let's hey, I love it, man. I love doing this, guys. I absolutely love it. So now he's gonna go up there and say, you know what, sir? You can't do nothing about them recording your business. You can't do nothing about it. And they're gonna get so butthurt, and they're not gonna like it. But it ain't nothing they can really do about it. Sorry. Ain't a thing they can do about it. We're gonna hang out until the cops leave, and then we're gonna take off. But why I got y'all here? How about hitting that like button for me? And make sure you check out my other channels. First, subscribe to this channel, NC TYRANT. And make sure you hit that bell notification to get all the new uploads when I go live. And make sure you absolutely make sure you subscribe to my other 2 channels, Jeff Is Here Live and Tyrant Hunter News. You don't want to miss those channels either. Some great stuff. The links will be in the description. 2 officers here now. I don't know why they send 2 out just for people holding cameras, but hey, I guess they, you know, somebody might go crazy on them one of these times. It ain't gonna be me though. It ain't gonna be me. We're just trying to stay here until the cops leave, and then we might hang out for a couple minutes afterwards. So stay tuned now. This ain't over with yet. Make sure you keep watching. It's not over with yet, because you know how stupid shit gets, right? Here comes one of them. All right, there was one of them leaving. We're waiting on one more. Road noise is kicking. There's the last cop right there, guys. Right on. There he went. All right.
Sir, read the law. It's right there in your hand.
The Activism News Network is now online.
Yeah, easily over 100.
What's the name of your badge number?
Subject 97, he's fishing. He also has an AR-15 and a Glock.